Alright guys, welcome to another episode, and this time I'm gonna do something different because the occasion is quite different. I'm not traveling by myself today. I'm traveling with this lovely girl, my sister. So where are we going?
Kuala Lumpur,
We're
Malaysia.
going to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It's gonna be a short trip, it's gonna be long.
My eyes and brings a smile up to my face, and the world is spinning slowly. I know today is gonna be a good day. I'm packing up my things, I'm going out now to explore, 'cause there's simply too much beauty in the world I can't ignore. I wanna go and see great things. I've seen a little but wanna see a little more. So I'll take the things I have and hit the road. I'll find adventure waiting in stories untold, finding freedom every step along the way, knowing joy and happiness are here to stay. I'm feeling good today.
No he dormido nada. Estoy despierto, creo que dormí como 2 horas en el avión y ya.
The sound of laughter and of music on the air, and watch the leaves blow on the trees that slowly sway without a care. Life is beautiful to me, so much to see, so much to love, so much to share. You see, happiness is not found in the number of my things, but the time I spend with friends, unmeasured joy it always brings. Like a bird with each new day, a brand new song it always sings its cares away. I'll sing my cares away. So I'll take the things I have,
Gastando más plata de lo que pensamos.
I'll find adventure waiting in stories untold, finding freedom every step along the way, knowing joy and happiness are here to stay. I'm feeling good today.
It's matching tattoos, so really nice. So far so good.
And the world is spinning slowly. I know today is gonna be a good day. I'm packing up my things.
Alright guys, so we're gonna pick up our barbecue for tonight. First of all, we're gonna get the frog. It's important. Enjoy Malaysia. Get the frog. Some chicken wings, why not? A little bit of this.
So I'll take the things I have and hit the road. I'll find adventure waiting in stories untold.
¿Tienes algo que decir about Asia?
No sé usar el baño.
Joy and happiness are here to stay. I'm feeling good today.